We could try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree. Cause you keep coming home to me, my eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone, but the
just landed in Zurich. Now I'm gonna take this train to go to Baden.
I know. Yeah, I know.
So we missed our train, so we had to catch this other train that has a connection train, but we missed that one. It's just impossible to run from one train to the other on time. You'll miss it. So anyway, we got like 20 minutes to catch this other train that will take us to our destination. It is cold, 3 degrees above freezing. 3. Good morning, off to breakfast now. Oh, that's my alarm. I'm staying at the Du Park Hotel in Baden. This hotel has the best breakfast. Ooh, it's dark in here. This is the best juice. They call it multivitamin juice, but it's a mixture of like orange, carrots, bananas, a bunch of fruits pulled together. Tastes really good. Cheers. I really love the architecture of Europe. Good morning, everyone. I'm off to work now, having a Red Bull, even though it's freezing outside. Something about the cold just makes me thirsty. Anyway, off to work. After work, I'm gonna take a trip to downtown, film the lake, possibly go to the castle as well. Work day's over. Now we're over here doing a photo shoot. Check out this lake. Now we're hiking up to the castle for a little photo shoot. Made it up to the castle. Check it out. That's the highest peak of the remainings of the castle. Let's get closer. Up these stairs. Go check out that door.
I don't think there's more than we can do. How come you think that I still owe you anything more than pain, more than the pouring rain? How can there be more to explain? No, I won't go down the drain.
So one thing that I like about all this architecture is that how they just mix wood with metal. You know, it's a very medieval century type of style. Okay, we got to learn how to weld.
Always so blind. We were born restless minds.
Probably can't see me that well, but we're inside the castle now.
Incompatible different sides.
And here we have the main peak of the remaining of the castle, which is that one right there. So here we are, way at the top. You can't go any further. You can see all of Baden. That's the peak of the castle right there. So this is what motivates me. I love the medieval times. This castle is a great inspiration. I've always loved castles. I remember when I was a kid and I used to watch He-Man. I had a couple of toys, but I never had that Grayskull castle that I wanted. It was way too expensive. Anyway, let's continue our journey. So here's another landmark. It's called the Wooden Bridge in Baden. It's a bridge that goes across the lake. It's made out of wood, but the perspective here is really cool. We're in Aargau, Baden, Switzerland, and we are right underneath the clock tower that sits in the middle of the city.
postpone the heartache. But I bet your body disagreed, cause you keep coming home to me. My eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone, oh no. But the pain in your body takes me out.
Alright guys, I'm gonna warm up now with this latte. I had a lot of fun looking at all the different architectures here in Switzerland. I know I got inspired, I hope you got inspired too. So now let's go back home and build something. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.
You just postpone the heartache, cause you're scared.